Hi folks, Winkle here, mission 14 of Hormuz Freedom Campaign by SorelRo. Right, we've got a bit of a challenging one today. We're train hunting. Let's have a little look at the mission planner. So we're taking off from Siri as per usual, and we're heading up to Keshem over here, and then waypoint 3. Just a note, when you start, waypoint 1's right there, so you might as well select waypoint 2. Straight away, and then we've got the difficult bit, which is finding this train. So what we've got to do is look for this little pier here that will send you in the area of this oil storage facility, and then the trains are going to be here. Okay, that's what we're looking for. It's very difficult. We've got cloud, so really have a good look at this before you set off, otherwise it gets a little bit frustrating. It's just by Havadouria there. Okay guys, see you in the cockpit. Right guys, let's get cracking.
Welcome to Groundhog Day. The plane is ready. Good luck.
Excellent. I think we're going to need it as usual. Right guys, I'll go through the startup procedure and I'll see you when we're ready to taxi.
Uzi 1-1. Request taxi to runway. Uzi 1-1. Clear to taxi to runway 30.
Beautiful moon up there guys. Clear taxi to 30, Uzi 1-1. Right, let's go. That lovely sunrise.
Rolling. Uzi 1-1. Request takeoff. Uzi 1-1. You are clear for takeoff when ready. Climb 300 at QSE 29.91.
Clear for takeoff, Uzi 1-1. Okay guys. Let's just set ourselves up a little bit. I mean the sun's going to be coming up shortly. We could turn our lights down a little bit. We'll just have to turn them up again in a while, but never mind. Right, so flaps are in takeoff position. We're in V-stall. Okay guys, let's go. And brakes released. And nozzles. And gear. Gear is in transition. And flaps. Just ease back on our throttle so we don't damage anything. Just check that our gear has come up, which it has. I've got a bit of an intermittent dodgy button on my HOTAS. Right, we'll now start turning, slight turn in the climb onto our heading, which is around here guys. We want to get above 20,000 feet, get into nav mode, because we've got SA-15 threats. That's the main issue as far as SAMs are concerned, so I'm going to get up to about 25,000 feet. Turn our HUD up a little bit. Beautiful.
Rolling.
Right, it's coming out of autopilot.
Enfield Uzi. You guys fixed the tub?
Do us.
Uzi Enfield, she's firing on all cylinders, purring like a kitten. Is that the voice of an ace?
The ace of spades is in the air, Enfield.
Roger, Uzi. You guys must have run out of sidewinders since they put you on mud moving duty again.
Right, let's get our T-pod sorted. Right, that's good. So I found the key to this mission, guys, is we need to find this oil facility and then the train quite a long way out, otherwise we get too close and the field of view on the teapot gets a bit tight. Right, let's set our bingo while we're here. 2-2. I've got 47 miles to the next waypoint, so the next waypoint is just on the near end of Kesham Island. So we can now bring our teapot to bear on that. Now we've got this issue with the cloud as well, so once we get up high, we can't come under the cloud because of the sand threat, and that does make it a bit of a challenge, amongst other things. He's back on the throttle a little bit. It's coming up to 10,000 feet. I've studied the intelligence that we've got. We really need to be on it. We really do. Right guys, we're now approaching waypoint 2, so we'll just move up to waypoint 3. Take our autopilot off. We're over 26,000 feet. While we're in the turn, I really need to coast here. Keep our nose above the horizon. Busted through the thing, trying to do too many things at once.
Uzi fence in.
Still can't quite see far enough. 40 miles to waypoint 3, but we want to find this target long before then. Right, we'll just see the coast appearing further up. Pretty good idea where the train is. We can just get to see it. Right, it's the first little port there. It's the second one. It's the next bay we want. It's got that big pier sticking out, that big jetty. Narrow view here guys, but that's fine. Right there, not convinced myself. Yeah, there's the jetty there, I believe. Let's take a bit of a longer view on it. Yeah, it is, there's a boat in it, which is right. So that comes in here. Right. That's the pier. Comes in.
Springfield 1, Tally Sam at Bullseye 2,
Where are our little storage containers that we're looking for? Is it a case that they haven't spawned in yet? They're not over by there, they're around here. It might be a case that we're a bit far away and they haven't spawned in. There's some tracks there. Right, there's some tracks there, so that's it guys there. So this should have storage tanks which will probably appear as we get nearer. I believe it is it because I know that that turns that way and then goes back down the coast. So we're linking, locking that on now. So the train will be in here somewhere. That's what we want. Directly we see it, we'll go on the radio and let them know. Right, that's good guys, that's good. Right, we've got 17 miles to the waypoint. We are at 26,500 feet, so we're out of SAM range. Right, you see these are spawned in now guys. So that's good. Right, how long we got? 8 miles. Come on, spawn in before the cloud comes over. Well, you can see where my teapot is right there for your information. Literally that arrow is pointing at it because there's smokestacks there. It's slightly annoying that we haven't got the train in now. Has to sort of spawn in.
Uzi IP. Focus. Roger.
Yeah, okay, so right, so we just need to go up to 4. Take that autopilot off. Keep my nose up, I don't want to drop below 20,000, definitely not. It's good. Yeah, altitude, hold on. Right.
1211. T-Pod's on. Let's look for the yard. See if you can spot Thomas.
1-2, roger.
It's definitely the yard. It's right at that northeastern corner. It's definitely it. Right, here we go. Just zoom in a bit. They're just appearing there, guys, as you can see. There we go. That's not it, they're just shipping containers, so we're looking for something unusual. Right, there's another train appeared here. That's just shipping containers.
Focus, Uzi. I have spikes from Thor sites.
Uzi, focus. Springfield flight is available. Call them in when the train is moving.
Uzi, copies.
We can see this other train.
2, contact air defense target, 1 o'clock, point 1-1. 2, contact air defense target, 1 o'clock, point 1-0.
Oh, there you go, they've suddenly appeared. More shipping containers. Not what we want though. Here we go. Oh, backwards and forwards. Right, we've got it. Other.
Focus, Uzi. I have the yard. 3 trains, 1 with a locomotive. All stationary.
Uzi, focus.
Disappeared.
Confirm. Orbit there. Do not engage while the train is close to the refinery.
It's sort of doing weird stuff. Ourselves in a bit of a bit. Just a little one. Come on, train. Don't let me down.
Focus, Uzi. The train is moving.
I want to see it.
Uzi, focus. Clear and hot. Use Springfield if needed.
See it, guys. It's glitchy. But they're disappearing and it's a bit pants. To be fair. Where is it? The other 2 have vanished. Not there, is it, guys? It's just vanished. Right, guys. I'm going to basically call it a day there. I don't think we're going to achieve anything with this one. The train disappearing. I don't know if our guys have gone in. I'll have a look at the tack view afterwards. There seems to be a bit of a glitch on that. So maybe SorelRo will address that and give us some comments. Alright guys, I'll see you in debrief. Right guys, welcome to the debrief. Here we go. So we take off from Siri as per usual. We follow our headings over Kesham now, waypoint 2, up to waypoint 3, and then turns head to waypoint 4 here. We successfully found the train. You saw it appear. There's a few glitches with this, you know, the scenery doesn't appear until quite late and it makes it tricky to find what you're looking for, and you have to be really on the spot with that. So we did find it, and then I put it into a nice big orbit so that I wouldn't obscure the T-pod, and you could just see the train disappear. So there's obviously a few issues with that. Potentially, I don't know if anyone else has had that problem. Please leave it in the comments down below, guys. If you want to like and subscribe, that'd be much appreciated, guys. And I'm going to move on to the next mission, the last one. Winkle out.